Lesson 5, single whip. We have done the push here. Turn around, keep your balance, strike right. Looks simple enough, but we start off with the feet movement here. You want to turn your bow, you have your bow stance here from the push, and then you turn inwards on your left foot. Turn your left foot inwards so that it's slightly pigeon-toed here. You raise your right heel off the ground here and take a big step to the right. So we end up in a bow step on the right side here. And you want to push first. The hands follow the legs. Turn inwards. Step right on the diagonal to strike. Form a crane's peak with the left and like an axe with the right. So that's the single whip.